Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by auditioning and organizing your drum samples at the project tempo, usually 120 BPM, and group kicks, snares, hats, and percussion into folders. Prefer 16-bit, 44. 1K HZ files for quick work, or 24-bit for more headroom and editing latitude. Trim leading and trailing silence, set start points precisely, and normalize peaks to around -6 dB to keep headroom for mixing. Rename files with clear labels like kick 800-801, and use tags for character, velocity, and source to speed workflow. For a solid drum sound, layer a transient-heavy top sample with a low sub-kick and align their phase within 1 ms to avoid cancellations. Use EQ to carve space. Apply a 24 dB per octave high pass at 30 Hz to remove rumble, notch resonances around 300-500 Hz, and boost 3-6K Hz for snap. Use compression sparingly with a 3:1 ratio and attack of 5 to 15 ms to glue layers while preserving transients, and add 50 ms of short reverb on sends for depth. When arranging, place the kick on downbeats and the snare on beats 2 and 4 for a clear groove, then add hi-hat patterns in 1/8 or 1/16 notes to drive momentum. Automate velocity or volume for human feel, and use transient shaping on fills to maintain clarity. In mixing, balance levels so the drum bus peaks near -6 dB to preserve headroom. Use light saturation and a 0.5 to 2 dB bus EQ for color. Export stems at 24-bit, 44. 1K HZ, and render a 16-bit WAV for quick demo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.